Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you also very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Evita and I post a lot of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos, and sometimes a cooking video. Thank you also very much for watching today. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So today I am in our master bedroom just cleaning up. I was in the middle of cleaning and I was like, oh, I'll just go ahead and record myself. So the bed is already made. Later on, I will go ahead and add my quilt. But yeah, it's a hot mess up in here. So let me just stop talking and let you guys enjoy this video.
To just being nothing else.
Typically when I clean our room, I start with the dresser. As you all can see, it has a ton of stuff on it. Let me know in the comments down below where you start in your room.
Sick, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
To clean off my dresser in the mirror, I'm going to go ahead and use a water and vinegar mix, and I'm also going to go ahead and use the Method Wood for Good polish.
Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted.
So once upon a time, this was my craft area, but since I've been working from home, it is now my work area. I do have a lot of stuff, like craft stuff, that I do still want to get rid of. I did get rid of a lot of that. If you guys didn't watch that video, I'll go ahead and link it up above, but I donated and gave my sister a lot of stuff. But like I said, this is now my work area. I am looking to get a new desk, but we are also looking to move because we have totally outgrown this house. So for now, this will just have to work.
Place is toxic, babe.
Can you guys believe that this is only a week's worth of clothing? I was pulling it and I was like, oh my God, it is so heavy. But I can't believe that's like a week's worth of clothing. I guess I can't believe it because it looks like that every week.
Not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe.
La patrona la designer, pero mira como vaina, girl. La patrona la designer, pero mira como vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases, ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style, por eso andamos fire, por eso andamos. De todas las guiales, es la number one, es la buena, mi male. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me dice que tal, si vamos a quemar, you know. Pero vaya, gente que no le gusta que no sea normal, mala. Estamos en la buena, pero con ellos en la mala. Solo tenemos una vida, hay que gozarla, bebé. Hay que gozarla, bebé. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las llevases. Ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style. Por eso andamos fire, por eso andamos. Vamos a bailar toda la noche hasta las 12. Vamos a vivir la hippie life, vivimos del roce. Aquí todo es natural, no me cambio mi pose. Y estamos a los J corté porque no me conoce. Tranquila hasta el fin. Aquí estamos flow pues, nunca flow play. Sé que somos happy porque estamos buen güey. Tú siendo mi Django sería tu Jim. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueve las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueve las masas. Patrona la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, girl. Otro que te llevases. Ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style. Por eso andamos fire, por eso andamos. Ricky Baker.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went two ways.
I swear I always knock something over in my videos, but thank goodness this trash can was empty.
And put me through that. My baby is useless. I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me, feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game.
It's funny that I didn't really notice that my bed looks crazy without a bed skirt, but now that I'm editing this video, I'm looking like, oh my god, that looks absolutely horrible. So I will be looking for a bed skirt.
Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do. I'ma make it loud, how I made you.
Now that my quilt is finished drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to my bed. It is reversible, and on the other side it's like white and gray, or I guess ivory gray and yellow, but I'm using the gray side because I wanted our bed to be pink, gray, and white.
Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game.
Let me know in the comments down below how many pillows you keep on your bed. I don't feel like I have that many, but I'm curious to know how many pillows everyone else keeps on their beds.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want.
For those of you who have made it to the end of this video, thank you so very much. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. But I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Bitch down. Sing on my melody.